On the ramp, seconds matter, and mistakes get expensive. Ground collision events continue to hit hard. It's estimated ramp accidents can cost airlines up to $10 billion a year. With traffic surging, larger aircraft, and faster turnarounds, the apron has become the most congested area of an airport, the pressure point, where clarity isn't nice to have, it's everything. How do airports make pushback safer on busy aprons? The answer? Smarter adaptive lighting. Meet the AXON EQ ADAL, the world's first adaptive airfield light. When confirmation to push lives in radio chatter and hand signals, ADAL turns clearance into instant pushback guidance. Apron Control authorizes the pushback using our Cortex Apron Manager. The SafeDock pilot display updates when the aircraft has been approved to push from the stand. One source of truth for everyone on the ramp and in the cockpit. This approval initiates our apron pushback support. With the stand activated, ADAL service road safety lights autonomously signal vehicles to stop. No relayed calls, no mixed signals, one clear confirmation so there's no mistakes. Every critical step is confirmed and supported by ADAL's adaptive color-coded guidance. The pushback route is clear. ADAL lights guide the tug operator with a green path to the designated push point. A pushback alert for taxiing aircraft is unmistakable by switching a series of ADAL lights to red. When the push is complete, ground control issues taxi clearance from Cortex Apron Manager. When the ADAL lights turn green, there's no doubt, proceed. Apron pushback support with ADAL turns pushback into one clear signal, keeping pilots, ramp crew, and tug operators moving in sync. Safer and consistent every time, preventing aircraft collisions, protecting crew and passengers, and keeping turns on track, protecting on-time performance. Safer ground movement starts with smarter lighting. At ADB SAFEGATE, we don't just manage ground movements, we guide them with intelligence and precision. ADB SAFEGATE. Smarter, better, now.